Well, hello, it's John, and thank you very much for clicking on my channel. Means a lot. And I'm out on the Himalayan again, and I'm going down a road I haven't been down very often at all, and I've come west instead of going east from where I live. Wonder what, one way. Wonder where that went. So I think I'm on a road from Wakefield to North Yorkshire. So what have I been doing? Well, I haven't been riding very much because I've had a big do-it-yourself project at home, and I put some new double doors in. I installed them at the end of our living room, whereas we had UPVC French doors, and I put some hardwood doors in, and to me it looks nice. And the wife likes it, which is the main thing. So it's good to be back on the Himalayan. And I don't know about where you live, but where I live, I've never known as many roadworks. I'm not complaining because we're sadly in need of roads doing up, but I've never seen as many. Where I live, it's a small town, and right in the centre we've had two-way traffic lights, four-way traffic lights, you name it. Oh, we must have had them 2 or 3 months now, and that's not to mention just before then, because there was a gas leak. We had them for a month or two. And you go on Facebook, not in the Facebook group, and God, people are complaining, but I just think, well, manage your time. But that's just me. So this is North Yorkshire, and it's a very nice place to have a walk round as well. Lovely stove built houses. Yeah, North Yorkshire, it's well worth having a visit and having a walk round, and they have all kinds of fairs on and things like that. That's not to mention the gardens, and if you're into that kind of thing, and a big massive stately house, a right pile. I'm going to head on straight on as if I'm going to Doncaster, but I would imagine I'll be turning off before I get to Doncaster, and just see what it's like, see if I can pick up a little road. And as I've said a million times before, the Himalayan's ideal for doing this kind of thing. Seems a bit windy down here. Oh, we're coming into Ackworth. Oh, I know where I am now. Yeah, it's a very old village and it's got an interesting bit of history to it. I don't know how much of it is in legend or not, but I'll tell you when we get there. So we're going to head off north. Now this is the old Great North Road, just passed over the River Went. As you can see, the road gets narrower and steeper, and stagecoaches used to come up here and they'd be going ever so slowly. This was the ideal place for highwaymen to stop them, and apparently Dick Turpin was one of them.